welcome. Spring is already knocking at the door, and I thought of making a video on how to write about your favorite season. So in my today's video, I would be giving you a formula, or you can call it a plan, that you can follow whenever you're preparing a speech or a writing on this topic, your favorite season. So watch my full video to learn this plan. You can apply it just like the maths formula whenever you are asked to give a description or write about your favorite season. This is Irene from Educare. Assalamu alaikum. So as I said, we'll be discussing the plan you need to use whenever you're writing a descriptive writing. So I advise my students, whenever they're writing a descriptive writing, they should remember that a successful writer is the one who can make his reader use all his senses. So whenever you're writing a descriptive writing and on topics like your favorite season, make sure that you use descriptive words that helps the reader use his sense of sight, his sense of smell, his sense of touch, his sense of hearing, and if possible, his sense of taste. So you have to be very elaborate, very detailed about the descriptions of your surrounding, of your season, of what you see, what you hear, or what you want your reader to see, your reader to hear, your reader to smell. So describe everything completely and fully. So how to start the descriptive writing your favorite season? Obviously, there are so many ways to do this. The starting line, the opening sentence, is like the life of the writing, the life of your speech, because as in practical life, first impression is the best impression. Your opening line has to make sure to catch the reader or the listener's attention. It has to grab their attention and force them to complete your writing piece or completely listen to you, whatever you're saying. And to do that, you need to make sure your opening sentence is very, very good. Always, whenever you're planning your writing, spend the most time into planning your opening sentences. And it is kind of like it kind of rolls from there. Once you have sorted your first sentence, then your opening sentence, then everything kind of falls into the right place. So I would advise, if you're writing about your favorite season, your opening sentence should be more descriptive. Like, start by describing the morning, like I woke up and felt the cold breeze brush through my skin. When I opened the window, it was as if a carpet of diamond was spread ahead of my house. Give a description of the morning, early winter morning, or early spring morning, or early summer morning, or early rainy morning. Whichever is your favorite season, give a description of that. So you're starting the day and you're giving a beautiful description of how the morning feels of your favorite season. And then move and tell or write that this season, this morning is like this because this is the season. So mention which season it is, and then mention that it is your favorite season. So now that you've sorted your opening sentence, you've already declared your favorite season. Now you need to follow the PEE, point, explanation and example. So now, after you've done the opening, you've given description about the morning, you've given why the situation is like that, because it's this season and that is your favorite. Then you go to the reason. Why is this season your favorite? What is that best thing you like about this season? And is there anything that you do not like about this season? And why is this season better than the other seasons? So now follow these steps. Write about these things. So opening sentence, description, declaring your favorite season, why you like this season, what do you like best about this season, why you do not like the other seasons, compare your favorite season with the other seasons, and in the conclusion, add an emotional or a very positive information about you and this season. Or Even better, try to connect this season with the reader. Ask a question to the reader, throw a question to the reader, throw a situation to the reader. This is the best way to end your writing because you leave the reader with thoughts of your writing. Even after the reader has finished your writing, the reader would be thinking about your piece of writing. I hope this helps for you to prepare and write any kind of descriptive writing. If it does, you know what you have to do. You have to inform me in my comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to Educare, please subscribe. This is Irene. Assalamu alaikum.